Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got Birchbox. This is what the box looks like. It is really light. It feels like there's just one product inside. If you're new to Birchbox subscription, then carry on watching. I'll give you a bit of a lowdown. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside their August box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. I've been a long time subscriber to Birchbox, so currently I just pay £12.95 a month, and that includes shipping. But a couple of months ago, they changed things up a bit. They upped their price, only by £1, but if you were to subscribe now, then your monthly subscription will cost you £13.95 a month. They do offer a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. In the last couple of weeks, they've changed their website around, and there's a few changes to the subscription as well. Inside, you'll find between 5 to 7 beauty treats a month, and you get to customise one item in your box every month. For me, it was a choice between 2 different masks. They also sell all the products that feature in the beauty boxes. They have an online store. They do limited edition boxes. They've just released a limited edition box. I can't remember what it's called, but I want to say it's maybe really inappropriate for me to say this, but Pleasure in Yourself box? Self-pleasure box? I don't know. I can't remember what it's called. Hold on. Oh, they've got a few different ones here. Feeling Myself box. Okay, it was on the same sort of lines, and yeah, it's a limited edition worth £85. It can be yours for £35, or if you're a VIP, you get it for £29.75. So it contains some yeah, nice little toy there and some lotions and potions. There's one here which I haven't seen before. It's called Skin Saviours. It contains a Foreo. It's worth £214. And it's just £29. I'll pop links to them down below in my description, as well as links to this subscription. So if you're interested, you're welcome to take a look there. I do have a refer a friend code, which will entitle you to receive a couple of pound off your first box. I'm not sure if it'll still work with the changes, but I'll pop that down below. And if I can find any other discount codes, I'll pop them down below. So underneath this video, you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that will bring up my description, and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside this box. It says this box is a real pleasure. What is it all about? Pleasuring yourself in August. Okay. We get a little leaflet, and in here tells you everything about the box, all the products in the box, how many full sizes we've got. We've got 2 full sizes, and the others are samples, little minis. It says, hello Birchboxers, let's be honest, sexual wellness is, oh okay then, alright then. Let's be honest, sexual wellness is part of our everyday life, and we shouldn't be embarrassed about it. However you relate to the meaning of sexual wellness, this month we want to start the conversation and invite you to explore what it means to you. It's time to put the taboos aside and start talking. Okay, what do you want me to say? I don't know. This month we are partnering with Womanizer. The original. Womanizer is a brand that encourages self-love by guiding the customers to the most breathtaking pleasures imaginable. Dive into the world of Womanizer through your QR code. Scan your code now. Okay. They always have like offers on the back page there, so I don't know if you want to scan that to have a look. But yeah, so let's see then what's in my box. The first item is the mask that I chose. There was 2 masks. The other one was for your bottom. I think it was a bottom mask. Well, I went for a bikini mask. I just thought, oh, that sounds a bit different. I've got a calming bikini mask. What is it? Oh, it's literally a mask. It's not just gel, it is a mask. It's for inflammation, ingrowing hairs, razor burn, bikini bumps. The go-to treatment for post-hair removal. Sounds great, doesn't it? Sounds really good. The Skin Calming Bikini Mask helps soothe irritation and soothes the look and feel of skin, protects and restores the skin barrier, and eradicates inflammation and grown hairs and bumps. Apply mask to clean dry skin. Arrange mask to fit the shape of the bikini area. Remove after 10 to 15 minutes. Gently pat the remaining essence onto skin. I want to open it up, but I don't want to open it up because I don't want to waste it. I want to save it until I next have a hair removal session down there. But But yeah, it sounds really, really great. I haven't heard of anything like this before. I've heard of ingrown hair treatments and things, but not actually a mask. Delicate skin can get irritated after long days at the beach or pool and needs an especially sensitive treatment. Enter Lapkos skincare for down there. Full of natural and remedial properties like rosemary, aloe vera and grapefruit, the soothing mask restores the skin barrier and provides instant relief and comfort. And then it goes on to telling you how to use it. So that's the first item in the box. Next up, we've got Balance Me. This is a vitamin C brightening eye serum. And there's 5 mils there. We always get Balance Me in the boxes, always. Nothing against the brand, nothing against the brand. Vitamin C range is really nice actually, but it's just like, come on, just give us some different brands, you know, because we're always seeing the same sort of brands and sometimes we do get repeats then. This is a little mini or a little sample, and how much we got here? 5 mils. The full size is worth £28. This serum is specially formulated to combat puffy eyes, signs of fatigue and dark circles with ingredients like hydrating hyaluronic acid, energizing green caffeine and calming elderflower. Visibly brighter eyes are just an application away. So there's that. Next, we've got the second full-size item. This is Alicia, I think it is, Alicia Beauty. This is a blush, 100% natural, and there's 15 mils there. So it's a liquid blush. The colour is really pretty. Yeah, you literally only need a tiny, tiny, tiny bit. Yeah, you can blend that out quite well. Okay, this is full size and you can purchase it for £12.50. The easy blendable formula has a matte finish, making it almost impossible to differentiate from your skin. Get that healthy glow locked down for summer with a simple blend of this warm blush. Is that? Next, we've got a little sample from Hygene's, and this is a hyaluronic acid concentrate. Oh, this brand, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, Hygene's, but this brand, up until recently, I've only ever seen in Birchbox, and I remember trying a facial oil from theirs a few years ago now, and I'm on my second bottle. I loved it so much. Again, it was only a little sample like this, but I loved it so much. It absorbed really nicely into my skin. It's a nighttime facial oil, and sometimes I can't stand the ones that just rest on your skin, so then you're like paranoid then about like leaving oily marks on your duvet or on your husband or wife or whatever. It's like, yeah, I don't like it, but this particular one just absorbed so nicely into the skin. It leaves my face feeling amazing. So yeah, hyaluronic acid concentrate. This is a sample, but the full size would cost £31. Add a double dose of hyaluronic acid to your morning routine with this gel serum that refines the skin texture and ensures an optimal level of hydration, preserves the skin's youth and protects the skin from external aggressors throughout the day. Plus, one whiff of its fresh cucumber scent. Oh my gosh, and these early mornings will be that much easier. Oh, right then, let's try this. Cucumber scented. Oh, that is so nice. So nice. I don't know why, but it just instantly, the scent brought me back to having a glass of Hendrick's gin with a slice of cucumber in it. Why? Random thought, isn't it? I have tried Hendrick's gin. I do really like it, especially with the cucumber in it. Oh, it's just so nice. Yeah. Hyaluronic acid feels nice on the skin as well. Yeah, really happy about that. And then last up, we've got a little teeny tiny Polar. This is a Polar Night Revitalizing Elixir. It is tiny and it's all sealed, so I'll just open that up. I can't open it up. I don't know why they've given us such a small sample, because we've had larger sizes than this in previous boxes. We've recently had a Polar Day Cream with SPF 50, which is gorgeous. I do really like products from this brand as well. But why put such a teeny tiny sample? Maybe it's because we got 2 full-size items in there. That is one thing about Birchbox, is that yes, it introduces me to nice products that I go on and buy, but the sizes do tend to be really small, so you can't help but compare then to other beauty boxes To purchase this, it will cost you £36 for the full size. Want to wake up feeling radiant? This illuminating elixir revitalises skin and boosts cellular regeneration, as well as reducing fine lines, wrinkles and signs of fatigue. Believe it or not, the serum's super ingredient, phytomelatonin, rich boreal algae, does all the work for you when you sleep, so you don't have to worry about the fuss. It's 99% natural and vegan friendly. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this month's Birchbox. It's a little bit late in arriving. It only arrived yesterday with me. We've got a bikini mask for your bikini line. Got a vitamin C eye serum. Got a Polar night cream. Got an Alicia Beauty liquid blush. And Hudgens hyaluronic acid serum. Basically, it's these two that excite me the most this month. These are okay. Nothing wrong with them. The colour of the blush is nice and everything like that. But doesn't excite me as much as these two. So yeah. So an okay box this month, but I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of my box, my contents? Your box might be a little bit different if you are a subscriber. Or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I subscribe? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.